Updated bungalow west open concept living. Roomy kitchen west hickory cabinets and breakfast bar. Bedrooms west built-in drawers and storage. Large laundry mudroom west abundant storage. Large bath, enclosed sunroom, detached 12 by 16 garage and 12 by 12 shed west concrete slab and power. Outside, you'll find professional low-maintenance landscaping, raised beds, apple, plum and nectarine trees, hardy kiwi, wine and table grapes west arbor, large patios for entertaining and fenced yard. Loads of parking and room for your RV. Quiet dead-end street.